Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of PopXO Skincare. Now Corona has been around for a while and to protect ourselves from Corona, masks have become an essential and almost like a part of our daily outfit. We can never step out of the house without wearing a mask, but that has also caused a number of skin issues, one of which is maskne. Maskne is basically when your pores get clogged with sweat and bacteria because you're wearing a mask for a longer period of time. So if you're facing a similar issue and you're breaking out because of your mask, then today I'm going to tell you a few tips to avoid that. One of the easiest ways to prevent maskne is by wearing a clean or fresh mask every time you step out of your house. Never ever use the same mask twice. This will keep all the bacteria and germs away which come into direct contact with your skin. In case you reuse your mask, make sure you wash it with an unscented hypoallergenic laundry detergent only and wear it once it's completely dry. Now I know wearing a moisturizer on a daily basis is a must, especially when it's winters. But applying too much of it can clog your pores and can make bacteria settle on your skin. Make sure you apply an oil-free moisturizer only in the exposed areas of your face. In case you cannot do without a moisturizer, make sure you apply just a tad bit under your mask. But remember to apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Did you know that bacteria grows under the mask? That is the ultimate reason for maskne. This is why you must use an antibacterial cream for the areas of your face that is going to come under the mask. Let your skin absorb the cream for a while before you wear the mask. You can also use a gel-based antibiotic cream on the area that is going to be covered with the mask. Once you're back home, either discard your mask or wash it instantly. And for your face, make sure that you wash it using a gentle cleanser. This is important because sweat and germs will cause bacteria to grow on your face, so make sure you cleanse it thoroughly and then rinse it well. Follow it with a toner and a moisturizer for your face. So guys, I hope you found these tips easy and helpful, and remember to follow these tips every time you're going to be wearing a mask to get a clear and flawless skin. And because you love PopXO and our content so much, we got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on some amazing beauty products and all you have to do is sign up for the MyGlamXO Insider program and get ₹150 off every time you shop for MyGlam products. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopXO Daily.